Who get no money, Spider? Everybody I know. The bank got all curtains. I fucked her, I was serving. She almost made me feel like shit was worth it. My bitch a boss, but she like small purses. You want that Bentley run with no curves. You bad shouted, but do not curve me. We can just vibe, but at some point I'm trying to have sex with you. I let her get a massage inside the Bentley coupe. Why would you come and try to finesse me when I bought everything for two? I was in your friend, but I cut that hoe off for you. Did it like a real nigga, solid, he ain't have a clue. Viral on the internet, and now my baby mad. Acting like I lost my player card and when I bad. We was talking about something serious and it just made me sad. Why would I cry over a bitch I gave a gun or police ass? You was supposed to call me back, but I'm glad that you did it. I was turned up and I got rich and that's it. My homie girl cheated with my other homie and he blew his brains. I seen her up, so you know me, I had to flex my chain. Told shawty that she ain't nothing like my hoe, she lame. You said you dead and then you told and then they took your stain. She asked me, am I still gangster? And I said, probably. I told her, shawty, I'm Black Kenny and I need me a Barbie. Fast forward, they dressing like me in 2012. I can get you rich, boy, make sure you prevail. I come from jumpers out there, kill you if you tell. You don't take care of your kids, but if you're gangster, then you're real. Flying out to Paris, the Benz is where we in. I'm piped up, so my hotel a resident. Stamp the passport out the country with it. Sir, your papa R&B got all his. Had enough of rocking the black on going Rose Kid. You got none of your wrist, your arm, and on your necklace. Yeah, you started complaining, but ain't fixed yet. $500,000 for the rich, but the right time on my Rolex. Playing by a rich nigga rule, and we can kick it. Of a lot of M's, I promise you my kid's straight.